Hey guys, so welcome to another vid. So I am going to do my avatar, and there's some music in the back as you can hear. So yeah, and I haven't got a Christmas outfit yet, and it's Christmas in like 2 days. So I'm gonna do my outfit now, and yeah, okay, let's go. By the way, I only have 49 Robux. Yeah. Wait. Let's start. I'm just gonna search aesthetic winter. Okay. Hopefully there's something good. Oh my god. Right. I've got pants like that, alright. I want like something else when I'm dancing. Sorry, I just love this song. These are so bad, so I'm just gonna say aesthetic Christmas. Oh, I accidentally searched Christmas. Okay. That's cute, but not my vibe. So, yeah. Oh my god. Anyways, it is not good. I'm just gonna search cozy pink. Oh god, pink lantern. I'm so bad at spelling. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna buy it out because it's cute. Oh, Lush Life's on. I love Lush Life. My favorite song is Lush Life. Oh god. Sorry if you hear me coughing. I'm a little sick. Well, not sick, but like I cough, so yeah. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Wait, that. Wait, I have 9 minutes of you watching me. I don't even know if I'm singing it right. Ooh, cute. And the other, what is it? Right, that's cute. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. Ooh, that's cute. Now I'm going to do this. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so this is the final outfit. And bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye.